Today, I'm going to show you how to lift droopy eyelids naturally and how to tighten the skin around the eyes. It's real simple and easy, so let's get started. Number one, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take these two fingers, we're going to place them right beneath the eyebrows. So above the eyes, beneath the eyebrows, raise up. And it feels a little funny, but you're going to raise up the skin there and you're going to look down. You're going to hold it raised, and then just your gazes are going to go down. 1, and gaze back up. 2, back up. 3, back up. You're going to continue to do this till we get to 10. And why are we doing this? We're working out the muscles in the forehead. We're doing this to strengthen the eyelid area. Keep holding it up, and just the gaze are moving down. 1, and back up. 2, back up. 3, back up, and you continue to do this till we get to 10. Okay, don't lose patience, keep at it. Again, we're working on the forehead muscle. Place this like right above the temple where your eyebrow ends. We're gonna take it and just stretch it out. Close your eyes, stretch it out, keep it hold for 10 seconds. And you should feel how relaxing this feels. Ooh, you should feel a soothing effect, and you should also feel the eye muscles relaxing, the eyelids after the exercises, just kind of saying thank you. Let go. And again, I already feel it in this area, relaxation that just kind of setting in. We're going to do this 10 times. 1, and down. 2, back up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna hold for 5 seconds. You should feel a relaxation in this area. I can already feel it, even in the forehead and the eyes. It feels really good. Continue this 2 to 3 times a week for the first week, and then once a week thereafter, and see how your eyes are feeling. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe below. Thank you. Ciao.